Hello guys and ladies, this is Premiumilk. Here is the tutorial for the matrix split screen for Premiere. There is also available for After Effects. Here we have all the resolutions available: 4K, HD, mobile and square, 1:9, 1:7 composition. You can grab any of them and customize it. Let's say we bring the HD one to the timeline, and as you can see there is 1 minute duration. And let's go to the properties that you see the placeholder here. Just drag and drop an image or your footage here and you will see directly the result. As you see on the preview, the matrix code falling down, so you have to install the font that I have on the zip file on the font link to have these letters. First of all, you are able to change these symbols to numbers if you want, like this. You will see here that replace with numbers, and also you are able to put characters like this. Okay, after let's put again symbols. After we have the color, the very basic thing. If you want some different color based of your image, wait a bit to see the result. After we have the matrix placeholder opacity here, how much opacity you want on this matrix code. Maybe you don't want a tone matrix and you like these lines. After we have the placeholder, and then we have the transition amount that you are able, let's place another image also directly. You can pick up color also from the image. Let's say we want some blue. And from here, transition amount is how much to cover the image. The transition, if you have it to 50, is in the middle. Also we have the angle, -90, so if you put 90 it will go from the other. And also we have the feather that is up to 100, some feather and not to be so sharp. If you want, you can put it to 0 to have it only from down, or even some angle like this. And the amount you can move it as much you want, depend from your title you want to write and something else. So let's bring another one to see the result. Let's go to vertical and bring this mobile resolution. Here, as you can see, is the same thing. Let's put on properties some image here and move it a bit to the left to have her face visible. Here we need some color from the image, maybe some pink or magenta. Okay, we need from the other side, maybe it's better to have visibility of her face. And let's see the code how is running. Very nice. If it is exactly on the in the middle, this code, maybe you have to put 55% to cover, or to uncover maybe on 40, or even that you can leave it to 50 and place some feather like this to 100 to have some feather in the middle. Wait a bit to see the result and hit play. Let's see how much render it needs on a let's put 10 seconds and let's see the result. Very nice. This feather fits good. It makes nice effect here. But if you want a sharp line, it can be also sharp line depending from your text that you will put. Change the color, select from symbols, numbers, characters, place your placeholder, transition amount, how much you want, left, right, up and down, transition angle, from where to be this angle, and transition feather. This is all the customization for every composition, every MOGRT file that is on the zip file. The time render is around 1 minute, as you can see. it passed 1 minute, so it's around 2 minutes for 10 seconds in vertical resolution. That is almost 4K on vertical. It is 2000 pixels and has to be the similar like HD, but maybe it's a bit more. So let's see the result. Wait a bit. If you have any questions about any of this, how you want to make more changes, please make a comment on YouTube, on Envato, everywhere on the Premiumilk.com website, and ask how you want to make something new, something better, and we are here to help you. So this is it, how it works. Very nice, and is up as much time you want. So this was a tutorial for the Matrix split screen. I hope you like it and find it interesting. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.